Welcome back to Webcafe AI, where we do daily artificial intelligence videos for your personal and business life. In this video, we're going to be using two plugins, Outreach AI and Webpilot, in order to create personalized emails for potential leads. Now, if you don't have plugins enabled, make sure you have a ChatGPT Plus account. Go into your settings on your ChatGPT account. Make sure you've enabled it on the beta feature. From here, though, all you need to do is go to the plugin store, and you're going to simply install two plugins. We're going to do Webpilot, and this is going to allow us to essentially connect to the internet and provide URLs. And then we're going to do Outreach, which is going to be the plugin we use to generate personalized emails for potential leads. All right, let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and just ask the capabilities of Outreach, and then we're going to structure this tutorial very simple questions going to very advanced questions to get a full breath to see what this plugin can do. What are the capabilities of the Outreach plugin? So we're going to see what GPT says. So as you see here, we have four main capabilities: email information gathering, personalized email generation, company information extraction, and integration of other systems. Let's go ahead and test this out. We're going to be looking at some Los Angeles restaurants here. We're going to go ahead and test some questions with them and see if this works. So the first restaurant we're going to be looking at here is going to be a bakery. It's called 4th Street Baker. We're going to go ahead and search through this website. And as you see right off the bat, what's not readily available is an email for us to contact. And we have a ton of information for different pastries. Let's go ahead and see if this will work. We're going to say for this restaurant, semicolon, and then we're going to put in the link, and then that's going to be Webpilot essentially accessing the data for Outreach. Then we're going to ask, provide all relevant information for the Outreach plugin. So essentially what I'm asking here is, let's get the email, let's get information, let's get everything that we need in order to fully leverage the Outreach plugin here. As always, when it's connected to the API of a plugin, you'll see that green little box, meaning it is working. So see here, we got a whole breakdown of this specific company. We got the name, the location, a description, and we were able to grab that email from the website, really cool here, and a phone number, and then some of the products associated with that company. So let's just go ahead and test this feature out here. We're gonna go ahead and start with a question saying, can you generate a personalized sales email for a prospect with the email of 4th Street Baker from my company that specializes in AI automation? So in this context, maybe we wanna sell this potential restaurant a service of AI automation. Let's go to see how it does this. All right, so it's here, we got a personalized email here. If we kind of skim through it a little, we can see that there is niche specific information. Our company has developed AI solutions that can help your business, like yours, streamline operations, increase profitability. Now let's go ahead and proctor this chat a little bit further here and provide specific variable information so future outputs don't use the variables that are being requested here. So we're gonna go ahead and do your name, let's do your company name, bring it down here, and then your position, and then finally your contact information. So let's go ahead and just input this information. We're gonna say your name, we'll say Corbin Brown. Your company name, we'll use a fake name here, we'll say Infinity AI. Your position, we'll say owner. And then for contact information, we'll just put Affinity AI at gmail.com. So hit enter here. So now it knows for the relevant information for future outputs. Let's go ahead and up the ante here. Since it's a bakery, let's go ahead and approach it with a different service, such as providing bakery equipment. So we got, can you generate a personalized sales email for a prospect with the email from my company that specializes in bakery equipment manufacturing and includes a mention of their product launch, their company values, and how our product aligns with those values. Okay, so it seems like it forgot about the initial variables. Maybe I didn't proctor correctly in order to remember these. We're gonna go ahead and just grab this real quick and then add a command here. We're gonna say for all future outputs, use these variables, hit semicolon here, hit enter again, and then we should have a re-output of what we just got. Here we go. At Infinity AI, we believe in the power of technology to enhance the art of baking. Our state-of-the-art baking equipment is designed for streamlining operations, improve consistency, and allow bakers to produce higher volumes without compromising on quality. Now, I want to point out that a lot of the jargon being used here is coming from ChatGPT's backend. If you wanted to give more context of your underlying service, that would prove to have more effective personalized emails due to the fact that essentially we gave very general context and we're essentially allowing ChatGPT to fill in the blanks. So we got another restaurant here found in Los Angeles called Blue Jam Cafe. Let's go ahead and approach this a little bit differently, and we're going to go ahead and essentially just provide the link and see if it can do the rest. We're going to say, now let's do this restaurant. Put in the link here, provide a personalized email for the service of an AI article generator. Let's hit enter here and see what it comes up with. All right, so this was actually pretty cool here, and this is why I love ChatGPT. So within one output, it was actually calling upon both APIs of the plugins in order to achieve it. Really cool stuff here. So we got a subject line and we got the body of the email. Now reading into the body of the email here, we got the relevant variables that we requested to be in every output from here on out. So now he remembers that. Furthermore, if we dive a little bit deeper here, we see the specific context from the website put into the email itself, such as I recently visited your website and was impressed of your commitment to serving only freshest foods with the finest ingredients. Now, if we jump a little bit further here, I provided the service of an AI article generator, which is brought up here at Infinity AI. We believe the power of technology to enhance the way businesses communicate with their customers. Our AI-powered article generator can help you create engaging, high-quality content for your website, blog, or social media platforms. This seems like a pretty powerful plugin in the context if I were to fine-tune a little bit more, give more context on the company I am, give more context on the services I provide, and then use this method of just providing the link and both these plugins together to get personalized emails for outreach. This really expedites time, as a traditional method would require you to read the website, find the link, really understand and comprehend the values that that company stands for. While using ChatGPT and these plugins, we're able to get that at an expedited process. Feel like you learned something? Make sure to like the video. It's completely free and it helps us here at Webcafe AI. If you want to learn more about plugins and ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your personal or business life, go ahead and check out the playlist at the end of this video as we're diving into all the plugins found on ChatGPT store. But without further ado, I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in. And yes, surprise, I'm an AI avatar. Make sure to explore more here at Webcafe, where we demystify AI for your personal and business life. Until next time.